2, 1, go.
Welcome to qualification match number 8. Already we have fuel going up from robots and humans alike. We have Dragon Robotics making their way deep into the middle of the field, collecting some fuel and making their way back to their alliance zone. They've got some fuel they're trying to launch out of their robot. We'll see if they're able to do that while we check on some other robots. Over on the blue side of the field, we have fuel going in from human players as all robots have already evacuated their hoppers. Teleoperated mode will start with a score of 26-14 favoring our blue alliance. That means that our red alliance will have the first offensive shift that will start in 2 seconds here. Offensive shift now for our red alliance. Blue alliance on the defense, seeing what they can do to advance their scoring efforts and disrupt the red scoring efforts as our time continues in this period. Dragon, seeing a couple test shots go out of their robot up into towards the hub as they dial that in to see if they can get more and more fuel into there for their alliance's score. Meanwhile, over on blue, we have robots providing fuel to human players who are doing jump shots, 3-pointers coming from these human players as they score 1 point apiece for each fuel put into their hub. Blue robots making their way into the middle of the field. Some red robots making their way to the middle of the field. A red robot looks to be up on top of some fuel that it is guarding from the other robots while their alliance partner sees they can help them get dislodged. Back over to red for an offensive shift. We have Dragon. It looks like they are awaiting some instructions to see if they can get their robot to launch more fuel into their zone. We have another blue robot in the middle of the field. Seems they are protecting the bump from red robots getting in there, and third alliance partner for blue shuttling fuel over into their side of the field as they reach another offensive shift. 37-92, pushing fuel towards human players, seeing if they can let their human players get in on more scoring action by providing them more fuel to launch one at a time for 1 point apiece into their hub. We have blue robot 11195 in the middle of the field, seeing if they can corral even more fuel to their alliance. 30 seconds remaining in our match. We have robots seeing if they can continue to advance their scores. A high density of fuel over on the red side of the field if their robots are able to convert that into fuel placed into their hub, with a good amount of fuel over on the blue side of the field that their robots are working to place into their hub as well. Our score is 36-14 as our score winds down here. 4 seconds left in our match. Our clock at 0, 37-14 with 0 on the board, and we'll have a final to you once our field is clear. Our score is in, and it's the Blue Alliance. Our Blue Alliance winning this match with a score of 37-14. Congratulations to our Blue Alliance, who earned 3 ranking points for their efforts in our qualification match number 8. Once our robots are placed for the next match and our fuel is where it needs to be, we will be back on field for more high-paced action.